I will show you how to get the best value out of your home. You won't believe how simple it is. Understanding your property's worth can seem like a mystery, but here's the scoop. It's all about comparative market analysis. Think of it as comparing apples to apples. You look at similar homes that recently sold in your area, adjusting for size, features, and condition. Why not rely on automated tools? They miss the unique details that make your home special. Doing a manual analysis means you get an accurate, personalized valuation. Location, upgrades, and market trends play a big role too. By knowing these factors, you can set a realistic price, make informed decisions, and maximize your investment. Need professional insight? Visit https://www.burrowies.com/selling to request a home valuation. Unlock your home's true worth today.